We're back making a little short video. Sorry I haven't made another video on my tires. It's not been muddy or really anything crazy, so just waiting for it to get muddy. But here we're going to be changing my front diff fluid. So I got 2 quarts of 7590 AMSOIL. We're going to change her out. I'm going to have to remove the skid plate and make this really easy and quick, because most videos I watch it's like longer than it needs to be. So we're just going to basically do this real quick. I've never changed it. I'm scared. I know I should have done it a long time ago, but better late than never. So let's get her done. So I'm on here, I gotta remove the skid plate. Looks like it's all 415 bolts or all 4 bolts are 15 millimeter. So take that off, or sorry, here is what I meant, and one right here. So there's 4 of them. So take that off, and yeah, it sucks. I'm gonna have to change my gear box. It's leaking, so that's not good. But I'm gonna do this for now until I can get the money for that. It's about 600 bucks. So we're under here again, and they always say to take off the top bolt first, because sometimes this will break. This one right here, the what's called the plug, the drain plug will break. And if you do that one first and then you can't do this one or whatever, it sucks because you can't put this one back on. So they say to do this one first, which is a 15 millimeter, and that one's a 12. So I got her on hook or tighten or whatever. I cannot speak. It's kind of scared because I don't want to be like freaking metal shavings for days and whatnot. But yeah, let's unscrew her and let it drain. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be pure black, but yeah. So yeah, that's how you do it. Now put her back in reverse and fill her up. Once she starts weeping on that hole a little bit, you're full. We're back. We put her all, cleaned her all up, wiped her down, so we're all good there. But now what makes it easier to do these little AMSOIL squeeze packs is you can kind of just put it in there and squeeze it in, and you're done instead of having to get the bottle, pumper, and whatnot. So that's what's really nice about these things. So we're gonna pump her in, let her weep out, and then I'll show you, and then we'll put her back together and go drive her and make sure she's not leaking. Her in. Make sure she's not leaking there. And so nice with those things. Get her every drop in there. And then get the other one in and do the same thing. Back, it's the next day. Drove on it all day yesterday after doing it all, and for Thanksgiving stuff, but looks dry, everything's good, we're not leaking anywhere, and I'm gonna put the skid plate back on. The only reason I listed off was because I just want to make sure it wasn't leaking, and I wouldn't be able to see it leaking if that skid plate was back on. So definitely good. It's a pretty easy job. 5 15 millimeter bolts and a 12 millimeter bolt for the drain plug, and then your 2 quarts of 7590, and you're good. Easy job.